In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Gumroad product. We'll use Gumroad's built-in sharing tools so you can get your product in front of your audience quickly and confidently. Start by opening Gumroad and heading to your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Products. This brings up the list of everything you're selling. Find the specific product you want to promote and click it to open its page. You're now in the product editor where you normally manage details like title, pricing, and images. From here, look for the share option in the editor and click it. This opens Gumroad's sharing panel, which gives you quick actions for social posts and an easy way to grab your direct product link. Using this panel keeps your links clean and ensures anyone who clicks lands on the right page. If you want to share on X, select the X option. Gumroad will generate a draft post with your product link already included. Before you publish, add a short, clear hook that tells people what they'll get and why it matters. Keep it concise, make sure the preview looks good, and use language your audience immediately understands. A single sentence about the benefit is often more effective than a long pitch. If you prefer Facebook, choose the Facebook option. A share window opens with your link embedded, and you can edit the caption so it fits your tone and your audience's expectations. Aim for clarity over buzzwords. Mention the problem your product solves or the result it delivers, and invite people to learn more with one clean call to action. If you'd rather place the link yourself, click Copy URL. This copies your direct product link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you connect with your audience, your social captions, profile bio, community posts, video descriptions, or replies to people who've asked for it. Keeping this link handy makes it simple to reuse across updates and promotions. That's the full flow. Open Gumroad, go to Products, pick the item you want to promote, click Share, then post to X, post to Facebook, or copy the URL. Repeat this whenever you release something new or want to give an existing product more visibility. Consistency helps more people discover your work, and these built-in tools make sharing fast and reliable. Follow these steps, keep your captions clear and benefit-focused, and you'll be promoting your Gumroad product with confidence.